She usually works during the week and has weekends off, but she sometimes works Saturdays or Sundays. When Carol has to work, her day usually starts very early in the morning. She wakes up at 4 a.m. and gets ready for work. She has a shower and gets dressed. She wears a uniform at 4:30. Carol has cereal with milk and drinks a larger coffee. After that, she packs her flight back for the day.